What is up, everybody? So I'm downstairs in the Skittlefabz workshop and it is a mess right now. All I can say is I got so much stuff everywhere. I've been working over here, which is my new carbon fiber lay station. I actually did some carbon fiber laying the other day on video. And look at even that 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive didn't actually hold it down all the way. That's weird. But this is a caliber carbon fiber shroud. It's actually not carbon fiber. It's just laid with carbon fiber. And I haven't perfected it yet. I was actually working on a video, but I ended up getting sick of editing the video because it was so long. But this is my radiator shroud that Jason Mendez actually sent to me and told me I could actually keep it. So again, to him, I really do appreciate it. I even might go ahead and just finish trimming it, but I also got to lay with one more piece of carbon fiber because I stupidly drilled those out when I shouldn't have, but it is what it is. One piece of sheet of carbon fiber, which is this stuff, would actually clean that up, and you probably wouldn't even see that because I can go ahead and take hot glue gun and actually put a piece of tape over here and hot glue gun it from the back side. You guys can see this is where the original air duct, I guess you could say, that was going into the compressor side of the turbo. I went ahead and I bent the cardboard just a little bit, that way it could have the shape. It isn't perfect, but it is what it is, you know what I mean? I'm trying to perfect this. I know making carbon fiber pieces is probably like one of the hardest things that any car enthusiast could actually do and perform. So these are carbon fiber eyelids that I actually won off of the SRT4 giveaway page. And then in here, I have my driver's and passenger side mirror, but with the carbon fiber overlay. So they're a little bit dirty right now, so don't mind me. I've had them in the scrubs wrapped up, being safe away from walls and the floor. So that's 1, 2, 3 pieces of carbon fiber. I got some carbon fiber in there. I got my transmission there, which I do got a video that I do want to work on. And this is one of my SRT4 gear packages. And the other one is right here. So I do got 2 SRT4 gear packages that I do want to open and show you guys. But that's not going to be in this video. More or less because I want to bring you guys more video content of other things, you know. I do want to go ahead and tear that transmission apart and actually send that out to one of my sandblasters, which isn't actually in Massachusetts, but I met him a while back. He actually did a couple things for my Neon. Actually, he sandblasted my subframe, and then my subframe came back to me, and then I used undercoating over the whole thing so it would never rust again. But I do have this piece, which is the rear sway bar, or the front, I can't remember. I think it's the front. And then I got this rear P-Works strut bar, but I want to go ahead and take that piece off. That actually used to be hooked up to the seatbelt in the rear speaker window thing, and I went ahead and I deleted that, so this little thing ain't gonna work for me. More or less just top of the BC to the other top of the BC. So that's the rear. I don't have a engine bay sway bar yet. I don't know. I might be able to like purchase the front and the rear so they match, but I might go ahead and sell that P-Works, but I haven't decided yet. I have a spare motor over there. My buddy is supposed to be picking this up. I have everything. I even have valve seals, the springs. I don't know where the retainers are and all that other stuff, but valves, cams are still in there. The head is all right. And I think I just want to use this for like port and polish work because I want to learn how to do it my own because I want to get a 420A head at one point and go ahead and port and polish the whole whole thing before I go ahead and actually build it, because I want to do a 420A head swap on my Neon, but trying to find a 420A head is really, really hard. And then having all the modifications and fabrication work and all that other stuff. So I don't really have that funds for that right now. So if you guys are interested on supporting my page, patreon.com, it's in the bottom of the screen and in the description. More or less, like, what this Patreon does, you guys, is helps me get contributions from my subscribers, my followers, my friends, my family, and all that, to help me support this channel. I know in the most recent video I didn't explain to you guys what Patreon really was, but it's a website to help video creators get money in some sort of way from their following. Me, I don't make money like that off of YouTube, you guys. I don't have people sending me free products. I'm out here buying new products out of my own pocket, struggling to buy them so I can finish my Neon build. And I know you guys want to see my Neon build like I do too. Look at, I got my big turbo over there. I got my ATP test pipe and cat just sitting over here. I have my O2 housing. I got my MPX short throw shifter. I think it's a 70%. I'm not sure. But like this, it needs a rebuild. This needs a new fuel pump, which I am going to be ordering in the next couple days. This, don't even worry about that. If anybody is interested in that, just send me shipping and I'll send that out to you guys. You guys can go ahead and play with that all you guys want. That's all done with resin and Bondo. Fuel lines. I got braided fuel lines to my Neon that I got to take off all those fit-ins, and I might even have to replace this thing right here, which is the fuel filter. I'm not 110%. I have old timing stuff here, and oh my god, that stuff is actually not supposed to look like that. I'm trying to clean all these pieces, and this stuff that I have right here, I don't even know where the... Oh, it's over here. I want to show you guys this stuff. I don't think I should have been leaving it out that long, but it's evapor rust. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are following me on Instagram, but if you're not, you definitely should, because of the fact that I'm always posting up. I'm doing daily feeds. I used to be a big Snapchatter, but I'm not a Snapchatter anymore. More or less, I'm going to be sending people my YouTube links, my videos, and all that stuff through Snapchat. So if you guys want to add me on that too, that's in the description below. But definitely follow me on Instagram, because Instagram is where it's popping, you guys. That's where I'm always doing video. Right now, I'm obviously doing a video here for YouTube, but normally I'm always on my phone. I promise you guys, I'm always on there. That's my bank card. But yeah, CSRT4 Mike, which is down in Texas, I think. He's messaging me right now. Yeah. But anyways, that's my video, guys. I hope you guys like this little short thing. I just wanted to bring you guys something more or less so you guys could see my Skittlefabz workshop. And yo, I have been cleaning. I made this little desk table over here. I got this from the art school down the street. They were throwing this out, so I went ahead and I disassembled that and put it together down here, which works perfect. And then I had this light. I forget where I got that light, but I got a couple over here, one there. Oh, that one was right under my tool thing, but it was way over there, and I wanted to make it so whenever I went like this, they all went on and off, right? Dope. But this is my closet where I'm holding pretty much all of my goodies, my Neon, my stuff. But that is the completion to my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. If you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, go ahead. I'll just be sending you guys YouTube links, videos, stuff like that. And what else? Patreon, if you guys want to support my channel, definitely go check that link down there and click it. Go over to the Patreon page, patreon.com/Skittlefabz. And it's going to basically break down 2 different tiers. One tier, you can go ahead and just contribute to my channel, whatnot. And then $5+ per month is a membership tier that is going to be able to give you access to my Skittlefabz fan page and so much more. I'm going to actually add new perks. Whenever I get my logo made for my sweatshirts, I'll be sending out people sweatshirts, shirts, keychains, lanyards, all that stuff. So within time, I gotta just build up my Patreons. I gotta build up my own logo. I got so much stuff to do, you guys. It's unbelievable. I can't even explain to you guys how much stuff I have to do. But like I said, hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace.